Buenas tardes, tutor. Mi nombre es Henry Alberto Cardona Giraldo, estudiante de Ingeniería Industrial, sede Santander de Quilichao. A continuación voy a dar cumplimiento a uno de los puntos de la guía, que es realizar un video en donde formulamos 5 preguntas y daremos respuesta a ellas. Yo mismo formularé las preguntas y daré respuesta. Entonces procedo a hacer las preguntas y su debida respuesta. Muchas gracias, tutor. Y pues empecemos. One question. Could you tell me a little about yourself? My name is Henry Cardona. I live in Villarrica, Cauca. I am a passionate person in the world of marketing and sales. I had 8 years experience in this field, proving to be a highly qualified professional to present and close sales. 2 questions. Why do you want to work for this company? To begin with, I have always admired this company and would like to offer my knowledge to help develop it. On the other hand, I think that I can provide a good service to people. I can also listen and guide my clients so that they get what they want in a good quality and good price. 3 questions. What are your goals for the future? My future goals are to specialize in my area of work and to learn a new language. On the other hand, I want to work in another country to expand my area of knowledge. 4 questions. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses? One of my strengths is that I am an organized and creative person. I can also solve problems easily. On the other hand, one of my weaknesses is that it is difficult for me to work and team. Sin and don't have a good relationships with my co-worker. 5 questions. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skills that you transfer from your previous lines of work to our departments here? I will bring a lot of creativity and strategies to increase sales. In this sense, I will bring important clients to your company since I had influence from people from the other cities and countries. I think that I can provide a good service to people. I can also listen and guide my clients so that they get what they want in a good quality and a good price. Thank you. Esta es mi presentación, tutor, del video. Muchas gracias.